Good evening and welcome back to the channel. Unfortunately, I'm using my phone tonight because stupidly I went and left the memory stick at home. But we are at Cosmo, the new World Buffet here at Newcastle. So Cosmo is a new World Buffet here in Newcastle. Basically, it's an all-you-can-eat. So yeah, we've decided to come across and try it. So let's go for course number 1. So here we go, plate number 1. I've got some chow mein, I've got some chicken black bean, I've got some mussels, egg fried rice, sweet and sour chicken, some king prawns, char siu, and some sort of fish just here. Whoop whoop. Chinese soup. In fact, whoop whoop. Chinese chicken and sweet corn soup. Plate number 2, chicken korma, lamb rogan josh, Beijing ribs, black pepper chicken, and some naan. Plate number 3, I'm getting chicken korma again because it was lush, and some salt, pepper and chili king prawns and some kung pao chicken. Couldn't decide which desserts I wanted, so yeah, I got a bit of lots of things, and this is plate number 1 because I will be going back for plate number 2. Chocolate covered marshmallows, anybody? Straight from the chocolate fountain. Emma's got Eton Mess and a chocolate cake. Ellie's got Eton Mess. And Trusty's got ice cream. What happens when you annoy Terry? You get Eton Mess on your face.
Lick it off.
Wow, that is really hard. You really think you can go all day long? Well, you always left me satisfied and smiling, so...
That's what she said!
Michael, please.
There he is.
Please.
Mwah!
There he is.
That's what she says. So that was the new buffet, Cosmo, and it was nice. A little expensive, but very nice. It cost £92 for 4 of us. That included drinks. So there you have it. That was Cosmo. Very nice, very good. See you all next one. Now it's time to do your job.